Now we're going to look today at a couple of Roman tongs, or pliers, depending on how you want to call them. We've got two examples, and I also manufacture an example that covers both styles. Anyway, the first one is based on an example found in Trier in Germany. Does the job, nice gripper. The second example is from Camerton in Somerset in the UK. Also works very well. And I do a combination model which has the Trier head and the Camerton shaft, which is twisted. The exact function of these is unknown. They could be used for metalworking, woodworking, possibly even most craft applications, and of course they can also be used for surgery. Excellent for extracting a bodkin. Yep. So if you need to extract anything, piece of shard out of a body, just slowly draw it out, and there we have it. Roman tongs.